Standard 6, Subject English 2. Chapter 3, Pronouns, Kinds of Pronouns. Indefinite pronoun. Study the following sentences. All are not happy. Many are poor. One cannot believe it. Do good to others. Some are born great. Few are rich. None but fools can believe it. Now students, pronouns are used instead of noun. He, she, it, him, her. ये सारे वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं प्रोनाउंस में नाउन के प्लेस में. नाउ सी, ऑल, मेनी, वन, अदर, सम, फ्यू, नन, ये सारे इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउंस है. In the above sentence, the pronoun all, some, many, few, one, none, others refer to person or things in a general way. They do not refer to a particular person or thing. Such pronouns are indefinite pronouns. मीन्स डेफिनेटली ये किसी को रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं. ऑल में अब सब आ गए हैं. मैन हो या वुमन हो, थिंग हो, किसके बारे में बात हो रही है ये डेफिनेटली नहीं बोला गया. ऑल आर नॉट हैप्पी, तो किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल के बारे में बात हो रही है या मैन के बारे में बात हो रही है? डेफिनेटली नहीं बोला गया है. सो दिस इज इनडेफिनिट प्रोनाउन. Exercise 6. Circle the correct indefinite pronoun in the following sentences. हमें options दिए हुए, हमें circle करना है. Some, none says she is foolish. Some says she is foolish. There is something, nothing in your hair. I think it is a bug. There is nothing in your hair. All few can do this act efficiently. Few can do this act efficiently. He didn't say anything, everything useful. And even none of his friends believed him. One few cannot say what will happen. Our holiday was perfect. Nothing, everything went as we wished. All others were drawn. Some say she is mad. Does everybody live in that house? Now students, let's see the answers. Sixth one. All are indefinite pronouns. See, some, few, any, none, one, some, all. Distributive pronoun. Now what is distributive pronoun? Each of girls were given a rose. Either of two pens will do. Neither of the statement is true. In the above sentence, the pronoun each, either, neither refer to a number of person or thing one at a time. Such pronouns are called distributive pronoun. Means ये सारे जो वर्ड्स है ईच, इधर और नीदर, ये नंबर ऑफ पर्सन या थिंग को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, बट एट अ वन टाइम, एक ही टाइम पे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. ओके. ईच ऑफ द गर्ल्स वाज गिवन अ रोज, मीन्स सबको रोज मिला हुआ है. नीदर ऑफ अ टू पेन्स विल डू. ईदर ऑफ अ टू पेन्स विल डू मीन्स दोनों में से कोई भी पेन चल जाएगा. नाइदर ऑफ अ स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू मीन्स कोई भी स्टेटमेंट ट्रू नहीं है. In the following sentence, each, either, neither are used as adjective. In such cases, they are followed by singular nouns. Each boy received a reward. At either end of the road was a lamp. Neither of the statements was challenge. Underline the distributive pronoun and circle the distributive adjective in each of the following. ये जो था वो distributive pronoun था और ये जो था वो distributive adjective था. प्रोनाउन में आप देखोगे तो ईच के साथ प्लूरल स्टेटमेंट वर्ड यूज किया है. स्टेटमेंट प्लूरल में जा रहा है, बट एडजेक्टिव में अगर आप देखोगे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव में तो सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन जा रहा है. ओके. सिंगुलर यूज किया गया स्टेटमेंट. ईच ऑफ द बॉयज वर गिवन अ प्राइज. तो ये क्या हुआ? बॉयज है, प्लूरल है, तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउन. ईच ऑफ दिस बुक्स विल डू. Again distributive pronoun. Neither of these statements are true. अगेन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउन. ईच बॉय वॉज पनिश्ड, सिंगुलर तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एग्जेक्टिव. Neither of the boys were punished. At either end there was a lamp. Now let's see the answer. See, distributive pronoun each, distributive pronoun either, distributive pronoun neither, distributive adjective either, distributive adjective neither, distributive adjective neither, either, sorry. Interrogative pronoun. Now what is interrogative student? Interrogative is question mark. आप जो WHO के क्वेश्चन पूछते हो, WH के सारे क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं वो इंट्रोगेटिव होते हैं, सॉरी इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में यूज होते हैं. नाउ इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस कैसे यूज होगा? Who made this that noise? Which is your book? What is the matter? Whom do you want to see? Whose is this pen? It will be seen that pronouns who, what, which, whom, those, whose, are used for asking question. Pronouns used for asking question are called interrogative pronoun. अब जो pronoun क्वेश्चन ask करने के लिए यूज हो रहा है वो interrogative pronoun होगा. Who, whom and whose are used for asking question about person. Which is used for asking question about particular person or thing. Which is cleverest boy? Here. Which is the best book? Person and thing. Examine the following pairs of sentence. Which way shall we take? Which is your pen? Now see adjective and pronoun. What books have you selected? What shall we do now? ऑब्जेक्ट दिया हुआ है तो वो एडजेक्टिव में आ जा रहा है स्टूडेंट. सो वी कैन सी दैट मेनी ऑफ द वर्ड्स व्हिच वर्क एज प्रोनाउन कैन आल्सो बी यूज्ड एज एडजेक्टिव व्हेन दे आर प्लेस्ड बिफोर नाउन. नाउन के पहले अगर यूज किया जा रहा है तो एडजेक्टिव उसको बोलेंगे हम. ओके एज यू कैन सी हियर What books has he selected? Books noun है, noun से पहले यूज किया है what, तो ये adjective. Which way, तो way noun है, before यूज किया है तो adjective. Exercise 8. Fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative pronouns or adjective. To dash did you give the message? Of dash are you speaking? Dash were you speaking to? Dash was she dancing with? Dash thinks is better health or wealth? Dash of these dolls will you take? Dash of these girls stood first? Dash road should I take? Dash do you prefer milk or tea? Dash are you waiting for? Let's see the answer, student. Whom, who, what, which, what. This is the house of Jack, built it. This is the house that Jack built. This is the this is the horse, it won the race. This is the horse which won the race. Who does two things? It joins two sentences. It is also used for the noun that goes before it. Who does two things? It joins two sentences. It is also used for noun, boy, that goes before it. Whom does two things? It joins two sentences, which is also used for noun that goes with. That does two things. It joins two sentences. That is also used for noun house that goes before it. ये जो sentences को it की जगह पे which use किया है, it की जगह पे that use किया है, इन दैट वे बता रहे कि ज्वाइंट कर रहा है सेंटेंसेस को और किस तरह से ज्वाइंट कर रहा है. The pronoun whom, whose, which and that which joins two sentences and refer back to nouns going before them are called relative pronoun. Now see, ये जो pronoun यूज हुए हैं ये ज्वाइन कर रहे दो सेंटेंसेस को बट मीनिंग सेम ही है और नाउन को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. Exercise 9. Underline the relative pronoun and circle the antecedents in the following sentence. Now students, let us see what is antecedent. Noun to which a relative pronoun refer or relate is called. It will be noticed that in sentence first the antecedent of whom is man. In second sentence the antecedent of whose is boy. God helps those who help themselves. It is only donkeys that bray. Bring me the clothes which the Dhobi washed. This is the man whose mother died. Is this the cup that you broke? We love those persons who are kind to us. Ashoka was the wisest king that ever lived. This is the juggler whom we saw yesterday. The child whose parents are dead is called an orphan. I hate the people who are cruel. See. Who? Those. That? Donkeys. Which? Clothes. Whose? Man. That? Cup. Who? Persons. That? Ashoka. Whom? Juggler. Whose? Child. Who? People. This is answer student. Now ये जो है वो relative pronoun है और ये antecedent है, मीन्स उसके रिलेशन में बोला गया है. That is used for person, animal, thing. It may refer to singular or plural pronoun. Noun. See, that word कहाँ यूज हो रहा है? अब ये सिंगुलर में भी यूज हो सकता है और प्लूरल में भी यूज हो सकता है. नाउन में he is the wisest man that ever lived. These are the boys that can be trusted. This is the horse that I want to buy. These are the only horse that need. This is the ring that I lost yesterday. These are the books that I have read. जनरली डैट जो है वो दोस्त के साथ यूज होता है स्टूडेंट, बट यहाँ पर दीज के साथ भी डैट यूज हो रहा है. तो THIS दीज जो है वो सिंगुलर के लिए यूज होता है और THESE दीज जो है वो प्लूरल के लिए यूज होता है. तो डैट जो है वो सिंगुलर में भी फिट है और प्लूरल में भी फिट है. Fill in the blanks with suitable relative pronoun. He dash his content is rich. Take anything dash you like. God has those who help themselves. Here is the ring that Sita lost. This is the boy that hit me. This is the man dash horse won the race. This only camel dash can cross the desert. The man dash is honest is trusted. The man who is honest is trusted. These are the boys dash all praise, whom all praise. They dash are humble, need fear no fall. See, who, that, who, which, who, whose, which, who, whom, who. Exercise 11. Join together each of the following pair of sentences by means of relative pronoun. See, here we can see in answer column. Whom? He is Raj. Whom? Do not no one trust. We got into a bus that was full of passengers. That word used by students. I was a juggler who was showing his trick. Who word used by? Here is the book that you lost yesterday. That. Here is the pen which you were looking for. Which. We met a boy who had lost his way. Who? My brother is dead, whom I loved. Whom? These are the boys whose parents are here. Whose? This is the pen which Bali stole and he was punished. This is the man whom we saw yesterday. Whom? CW one time in your textbook, HW two times in your notebook. Thank you.